Have you ever thought that the shrimp in your salad or the fish on your dinner plate might not be as natural as you believe? A veteran seafood farmer has stepped forward to expose a hidden truth in the seafood industry. Not all seafood grows the way nature intended. In fact, some of the most popular varieties on the market are routinely treated with chemicals and drugs to speed up growth. Once you know this, you might think twice before ordering your next seafood feast. Here are 5 types of seafood that are commonly enhanced with drugs. Shrimp. Often farmed in crowded ponds, shrimp are sometimes given antibiotics or growth promoters to prevent disease and speed up harvest. These drugs can leave residues in the shrimp, affecting your health if consumed frequently. Salmon. Farmed salmon may be fed antibiotics and colorants to maintain their pink hue, since wild salmon get their color naturally from krill. Over time, consuming these additives can have subtle effects on your body. Tilapia. Known for its rapid growth, tilapia in certain regions is sometimes treated with hormones or antibiotics to reach market size faster. Regular exposure may pose long-term health risks. Catfish. Catfish farms can be hotspots for infections due to dense living conditions. To combat this, antibiotics are sometimes used systematically, which can contribute to antibiotic resistance in humans. Shrimp-like shellfish, e.g. prawns. Like shrimp, these shellfish are often subjected to chemical treatments to accelerate growth and prevent disease. Some of these drugs are banned in certain countries, but may still appear in imported seafood. Why does this happen? Modern aquaculture is under pressure to supply the growing global demand for seafood. Farmers, facing tight margins and high mortality risks, sometimes resort to drugs as a shortcut. While these practices may increase profits, they also raise serious health concerns for consumers. So, what can you do? Buy from trusted sources with clear labeling and certifications. Look for organic or responsibly farmed seafood. Wash and cook seafood thoroughly. While cooking doesn't remove all drug residues, it can reduce some risks. Diversify your seafood choices and occasionally choose wild-caught varieties to minimize exposure. The takeaway is clear: not every seafood on your plate is as nature intended. By staying informed and making smarter choices, you can enjoy seafood safely without compromising your health.